In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp formula custom fields. We'll walk through a simple example using two number fields and a formula field. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to set this up in your own workspace. First, make sure you're in the correct list view where your tasks are stored. This is important because the custom fields you create will apply to this specific list. Once you're in the right place, look at the top of your columns and find the option to add a new column. Go ahead and click on that Add Column icon. From the menu that appears, choose the number field type. This first number field will be one of the values you want to use in your formula. When the prompt opens, type in a clear, descriptive name for this field, like hours worked, quantity, or whatever you're going to be tracking. A good name makes it easier to understand your reports later. Once you've named it, click on Create to add that number field to your list. Now we'll set up the second number field. Click on the Add Column icon again, and once more choose the number option. Just like before, give this field a descriptive name that reflects what it's tracking, maybe rate, cost per unit, or something similar. When you're happy with the name, click Create to add this second number field. Next, we're going to create the formula field that combines those two numbers. Click on the Add Column icon one more time, but this time select formula instead of number. In the name box, enter something that describes the result you want, like total, calculation, or total cheese. Then click Create to add your formula field to the list. You'll now see an empty formula field for each task. Click into that empty formula field to start building your formula. In the formula editor, click on Select Field and choose your first number field from the list. This inserts that field into the formula. Between fields, you'll see an operator, usually starting as a plus sign. Click on that plus drop-down to choose the type of calculation you want: addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Pick the operator that makes sense for your use case. Then click Select Field again, and this time choose your second number field. Now your formula is combining both number fields with the operator you selected. When you're done, click Calculate to apply it. Your formula custom field will now automatically compute the result for each task based on the values you enter in those two number fields.